everyone. So today is a beautiful day and we're gonna talk about some morning rituals for our wonderful conscious parents. So morning is such a beautiful time and whatever you infuse in yourself drives your whole day. कैसे आप अपने दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं उससे आपके पूरे दिन कैसे व्यतीत होगा वो उसकी चाल बनती है. So let's say, it is very important for us to bring our attention there and bring in some feeling of gratitude, some optimism, and some self-love to start our day in a beautiful manner. When I talk of the gratitude, it is always like we are blessed with certain things. The first thing is like we have opened our eyes, all our relatives, all our near and dear ones are okay, fine. That's a beautiful feeling of gratitude. Expressing our love, we start our day. Then यही हम अपने बच्चों को धीरे धीरे करके हम इन्फ्यूज़ करेंगे, उनको उनके संग भी शेयर करेंगे तो वो इन चीज़ों को क्वालिटी को इम्बाइब कर लेते हैं. तो पहली चीज़ अगर मैं कहूँगी तो पहला पॉइंट ये होता है कि टुडे इज़ अ न्यू डे, लेट मी सी व्हाट न्यू आई वांट टू डू टुडे, व्हाट वुड आई लाइक टू डू समथिंग व्हिच विल हेल्प मी टू बी मोर जॉयफुल, राइट. सो ऐसा आप अपने लिए भी सोचिए और अपने बच्चे से भी पूछिए कि क्या करना चाहोगे आज तुम ऐसा नया जिससे तुमको और खुशी मिले, तुम और हैप्पी हो जाओ. लेट्स ट्राई दैट. सेकेंडली, वी वुड see everything. If I say everybody has three things, they have the rose, they have the thorn, they have the bud. When I say rose, you have something which is blooming in your life already there. There's a thorns, there are some challenges which you have to face in your life, and there are some buds which are waiting to be flower, right? So let's say उसको तीनों को देखते हुए आप अपने दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं और अपनी फीलिंग और इमोशंस को वैल्यू करते हुए उनको अच्छे से महसूस करते हुए एक इंजॉय करते हुए आई वुड से यू स्टार्ट योर डे. Try doing these things and then you see how your energy goes and flows all through the day. Then I say कि whenever you're feeling something, you could say that, okay, आज मुझे कैसा feel हो रहा है, कल कैसा feel होता है, आज मैं क्या चाहता हूँ. Let's ask myself this question: what kind of feeling I'm looking for today? Make a note of it कि आप क्या चाहते हैं, and I'll make it sure, it's sure you're gonna feel that thing. जो आप सुबह सोचेंगे वो आएगी आपके पास दिन में एक बारी तो वो feeling जरूर आएगी. And here I would like to say something कि आजकल के हमारे routine में mornings are the most disturbed things. Everybody is so busy, rushing up and down, this, that, time thing, this thing, this thing. Plan your mornings right. अगर वो आप पीसफुली करते हैं, 5 मिनट अपने आप को ज़्यादा दे देते हैं और सारा काम पीसफुली करते हैं तो आपके पूरे दिन की एनर्जी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगी, वो वैसी काम मेंटेन रहेगी. So this is a suggestion and this is a request. If you want your day to pass on peacefully, give yourself enough time in the morning for, I would say, grounding your feeling. जल्दी जल्दी में कुछ नहीं करना है, शांति से ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, शांति से रेडी होना है, and lovingly, because that is the time which you are giving it to yourself. And if that is not peaceful, everything will just keep on going in that rush. Especially for the mothers, they have plenty and bundles of things to finish in the morning. Might be I'm asking you more, but get 15 minutes early, schedule your time, do the proper planning of how you want to finish your work in the stipulated time, and then do it in the way that it doesn't disturb you, it doesn't pressurize you, it doesn't give you that uncomfortable feeling that यार मुझे जल्दी करना मैं कर नहीं पा रही. Try करिए इनको. If you need help in this, please do get in touch with us. We have special exercises which can help you plan your morning rituals right. It's a set of few exercises. You can go through them, you can do them, and definitely they will lead you to some better understanding. And if you have any questions, please you can place them in the comment section or you can message us directly. Do like and subscribe our channel to get all these parenting hacks every day, the small tips. I'm sure they're adding value to your lifestyle. and we will be soon launching few workshops for the parents and the children together. We'll be announcing them very soon, and we are coming out with our journal next month. That would be the biggest gift from our side to all our participants, because it will have all the basic techniques and basic knowledge which you can experiment with in your house, in your premises, and lead a better life. So let's make our mission to bloom and shine together. Take care.